Welcome back to the K4 Ranch. Today we're going to be doing something a little different. I'm going to take you on with me as we do a run for the local volunteer fire department. A medical call has gone out. Somebody needs assistance, and EMS has requested us to land a helicopter. Sometimes we get Life Flight 1 or Shands Care from one of the neighboring counties. What I do is I respond to the station, grab my gear, sling it in the truck. Now luckily our fire station has a big open field just to the south of the building, and that's consistently where we land our helicopters. Make sure all the things are disconnected from the fire truck. Main battery terminal toggled. Sorry for the camera option, guys, here. I actually recorded this legit while it's happening. Now we're going to do our walk around to the truck. We'll walk around to the truck, make sure there's no items left laying on tailboards or bumpers. All the doors are closed. Here you can see the lieutenant left his gear. He's going to be going down another truck, but we'll go ahead and take his gear with us. Alright, let's get it fired up.
Yeah, we'd rather use Tech 5. We'll try it.
Got the LZ established. This is the big open field we have out back. We normally set up a 100 by 100 area for the helicopter, and they generally know where to land. Doesn't take them long. We can hear them coming. Now, this is kind of crazy. Right as the helicopter gets close, we see a bird just barely miss the helicopter. To make all of us kind of cringe a little bit. Helicopter's going to come over, do a site survey of the landing zone, kind of get their bearings. They do kind of a 360-degree flyover. Once they're happy, they're going to come straight in and land in the wind. Normally is the case. They always, sometimes it's different, but normally they'll come in nose in to the wind. They call for their final approach. Anytime the helicopter says final approach, they want everybody to clear comms. That way, if the helicopter has to say, you know, they're having malfunctions or the fire crews on the ground, tell them to abort. Everybody can hear everybody. We keep this area mode, keep it flat. And they're safely on the deck. Alright, the helicopter crews are going to disembark. They've got a specialty stretcher that collapses completely flat that kind of fits into the back of the helicopter. And we're on standby waiting for the EMS to get here. Helicopter stays hot. As long as the EMS is going to be within a certain period of time, the helicopter stays wide open, ready to go. And here comes EMS. pilot crew and EMS get the patient loaded. As I said before, the stretcher goes into the rear of the helicopter. Anytime you have to approach one of these helicopters, you always approach from the side, never the front or the rear. The wing or the rotor up front actually dips a little bit in the front, so it's always, you always go in and out from the sides. Looks like they got it loaded up. Crews will sit for a minute and make sure they do all their checks. And they'll hear the motor spool up. There it goes. That's going to do it. Patient is safely off the ground and heading to the hospital. We're going to collapse the LZ, pack up, be ready to do it again if we're called. From everybody at the K4 Ranch, God bless.